Are the line speeds consistent?
All right, team, let's move efficiently. Collect samples from your assigned sectors using the scanners.
I'll take the eastern quadrant.
I've got the west side covered.
The analyzer is showing high mineralization in this quadrant.
Copy that. Cross-reference with the satellite imagery and log the sample.
The land has been transformed into neatly cultivated soil. A professional operation.
Machine 3 is showing a full bin. Send the truck over now.
Copy that. Routing the truck to machine 3.
Too many green ones coming through.
Adjust the sorter sensitivity.
The bins on machine 2 are almost full.
Copy that. Sending a truck your way now.
These pallets are ready for the factory.
All right, send the next batch through for weighing.
The batch looks consistent on the monitor. Everything is drying perfectly according to the specs. I am adjusting the flow now to keep the line moving steadily toward the final stage.
Why did the tomato turn red? Because it saw the salad dressing.
Viscosity is looking perfect on this batch.
Let's check the texture. Flow rate seems... Viscosity looks perfect on line 2.
Confirmed, temperature is stable. Are the line speeds consistent?
Label alignment is perfect on this batch. Caps are sealed tight.
Why did the tomato turn red?
Because it saw the salad dressing.
Why did the warehouse worker bring a ladder to work? Because they heard the manager said the business was looking to reach new heights.
Somebody was on, so fast,